If you go to your favorite search engine and you type in that what you want is to download the ChatGPT desktop app, you will have a link available to you. As of the recording of this video, the link will take you to both the mobile application and the desktop area. You'll notice that there is a download version for the Mac and that you can test an early version of the Windows application. You are looking at the Windows Store. And again, if you have a Mac, you'll need to go to the link for the Mac application. If the app is compatible with your system, you will be able to download the application and to install it to your hard drive and your system. Once you have the desktop app open, you'll notice that it's very similar and almost identical to the online application. You'll notice that you can upload files. You'll notice that you can use search. You'll notice that your account is available, and you'll be able to select your models here in this area. So you can have access to the desktop application for ChatGPT by downloading and installing to your system. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.